So this is how you can root your entire system network through Tor. So basically what you can do is just join my Discord server. It's just a lot easier just because the tutorial is also there too. So there's like two ways you can easily figure out, you know. So basically just go to my Discord server, and when you join my Discord server, verify, and when you verify, you'll be able to scroll down until you get to Linux commands. And once you get to Linux commands, what you have to do here is just go on the top where the pins are, the pin messages, and then scroll down until you get to this part basically where it says right here. You can also sort it as well if you want. But basically just get to this access basically. Once you get here, it'll basically do a step-by-step how to set it up, but I'm going to show you on the video how you can do it a lot faster because you don't really have to do the whole thing. Honestly, you don't have to do everything it tells you. So I'm gonna get you set up basically. So what you have to do right here is you first have to go to your Tor configuration file. So just go to your Tor configuration file, and so when you should get to your configuration, scroll down to the very bottom and just paste into exactly what it said to paste basically, right, like right here. Add this to the configuration file. And so once you add that configuration file, just save and exit. That's all you gotta do. Save and exit. Then all you have to do now is just go down to the next part. And once you go here, just basically copy this, copy. Once you go here, all you have to do here is just paste exactly what this is. Basically, that's all you really have to do is just paste exactly what it says, which is right here. Paste that in. Once you paste that in, then what you now have to do is, yeah, you might have to restart your network, so try doing that, but you might not have to, honestly, but you can. And so now the next thing you have to do is flush your IP tables. So just flush everything that you have pretty much, just to have everything back to default. So flush everything, make sure everything's, clean. And once you get this command run, then you'll just clean your IP tables. That's all it really will do. So once you get that cleaned, then you'll have a new setup right here basically that you can copy. So just setup right here is just basically your network connecting to, Tor basically. That's all this is doing. So basically all you have to do now is just go paste this into your command prompt or whatever, your terminal. So just go to your terminal and just paste this in. Once you paste that in, then that's basically you have to do now. It's just now you got your network routed to Tor, basically. So now what you have to do after that is you just gotta save it. So just scroll, you can skip past this part, like where it says optional. And five, like 5 in optional part, you don't need it. So basically you can skip these two, and what you now have to do is just save it. So just save, you know, your IP tables that you made pretty much. And so once you save it, then that's pretty much all you need now. So that's all you needed. And you might need this, but I don't really don't think you need to because I don't remember even using it. So you can probably skip this, but if it doesn't work, then yeah, try using it. But if it doesn't work and there's other issues that you're having, then just let me know. So if you got any issues, any problems or anything, just you can tag me in my server or comment in the comments of the video and just let me know. I don't mind. So yep, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. See you.